Okay, so just a quick demonstrational video of one of our vehicle-specific dual battery kits. This is for the Isuzu DMax. So it comes with the Redarc BCDC, the 1225D dual battery charger. So it's a 25 amp charger while you're traveling, and also a solar controller with green power priority. So you can plug in the solar via this Anderson plug, which is labelled solar panel input. So I'm just going to show you where all the components sit and how the connections would be made. So firstly, it comes with the Long Ranger vehicle specific bracket, and that's designed to mount if I was standing in front of the vehicle up against the grille. It's designed to mount in between the radiator and the front grille, tucked in the front. Now this is the position that Redarc recommends for airflow. It's out of the heat of the engine, it's in a nice cool spot, and yeah, it's got good ventilation. So once that's mounted in there, and you can follow the instructions for the Long Ranger bracket as far as mounting this bracket. Once that's all installed, the main loom is designed to reach up into the engine bay between a small gap in between the headlight and the radiator. So we're going to have the front grille taken out of the vehicle to do this for access. And if you look on our YouTube channel or on the digital instructions that we'll send you when you purchase a kit, there'll be links to videos to help you do this. And this video here on YouTube, it explains exactly how to get the grille out for access. So once that's out, we mount to the bracket and we thread the cables up into the engine bay. I'm just going to unravel these a bit here so you can see them. So that will go up the first set of connections, so a positive and negative connection here, labelled main battery. So that's going to go to the vehicle's existing battery, the main start battery. And then a little bit further towards the back of the engine bay is going to be where our auxiliary battery sits. And that's going to be our next set of connections. And once again, labelled auxiliary battery. So that's going to connect to our auxiliary battery. And then we've got the solar. There's a bit of length on the solar to put that wherever you like. That's just an Anderson plug that you can plug your solar blankets or panels into. Now, with the Isuzu DMax, it is running a smart alternator, variable voltage alternator. So it does require a connection into the fuse box. So in between the start battery and the auxiliary battery is the engine bay fuse box. And in the digital instructions that we'll send you, it'll show you exactly how to do this and which fuse to plug into. But this is designed to, once you take the lid off the fuse box, this has got enough length to go up into the fuse box, and we're simply going to pull out an existing fuse and replace it with this fuse holder, which still allows that circuit to be active on the Isuzu circuit, but it also gives a signal to the Redarc that the engine is running so that it doesn't have to rely on the voltage of the alternator. So that's basically how to install the kit, what's involved and where everything sits. In our kit you get the Redarc instructions, the Long Ranger instructions for mounting of the bracket, and all the nuts and bolts required for fixing and cable ties. So that's basically the whole kit for the Isuzu DMax.